So here we have this black heavier duty pencil pouch. It's around an inch wide. The zipper goes all around. I'm guessing you could add more stuff to stretch it out a bit more, but overall great for high school or middle school. School where you have a bit more subjects than primary school. So as you could see, when you open it up, there's a mesh pocket here with also another zipper so that the pencil don't go flying everywhere. But it could fit pencils, pens, headphones, even scissors. So it's very convenient. That's for that part. Next we have a space for pens. Again, pens, pencils, highlighters, scissors even, and so they have these little area places where you can put the pen in through this part, and so they won't go flying everywhere. So it's very convenient. And next we have like the bottom area pocket where it's like you could put in I have my TI-84 in here, pencil, post-its. You could add much more. The more you organize it, the better. So you could keep adding more and more, but very convenient, spacious, easy to access, and overall perfect size.